Are learning new details about that deadly officer-involved shooting in Lakeland from earlier this morning. You are watching 10 Tampa Bay this weekend. I am Carolina Lead. I'm filling in for Candace Aviles. A man and a woman are both dead tonight. It happened around 6:30 this morning at the Cobblestone Landing townhomes. When police got there, they say 35-year-old Howayne T. Gayle was pointing a gun at a woman in the parking area. When he shot her, that's when an officer immediately opened fire. Gayle died on the scene while the woman was taken to Lakeland Regional Health, where she died this afternoon. 10 Tampa Bay's Twelon Wynn spoke to neighbors who say this never happens in their area.
The chief of the Lakeland Police Department says all of this right here, the crime scene, the investigation, it's pretty unusual for this area because they say they don't get a lot of calls for service, and the neighbors say the same thing.
It has been completely peaceful, quiet, calm, kids running around in the roads, running around. I mean, it's very nice.
That piece was interrupted by gunshots that Yvette Bennett heard while teaching online English classes.
I had to duck down because I didn't know what was going on.
What we know is that Lakeland police got a domestic call at a townhome complex. Officers showed up and they say they saw a man shoot a woman in the stomach. A Lakeland police officer then shot the man, who later died. At least one young adult was home at the time, but she wasn't hurt.
We know that the daughter was a witness to a part of it, at least. We're still working through that. That's very close community here. The residents are very close, so I'm sure there are other witnesses. We're still canvassing the area, putting those witnesses together.
And we do know that the officers involved will be on paid administrative leave while this shooting is being investigated.
And we've also learned that Gayle and the woman were in a romantic relationship but had just broken it off. Gayle had broken into the home before he went outside with this woman. Her name has not been released because of Marsy's Law.